excited to unbox this box with you today. I have my January Glossybox here. I'm working with Glossybox, so this video is sponsored by Glossybox. I did receive this box for free in exchange for my review. But I am so excited to see what's in this box. I love Glossybox. I used to get them on the reg. They were the expensive version of Boxycharm for me, but I ended up just trying to minimize as many subscription boxes that I had because I wasn't really filming as much. But I'm really hoping to get back into filming a lot more frequently now that life has settled down a little bit. But I'm so excited to see because I always receive so many amazing hair care products in my Glossybox. That is why I loved getting Glossybox, is because for me there was no other company subscription box that really offered these quality hair care products that I was getting in my Glossybox. I actually think Glossybox was the one to introduce me to Wake Hair Care. I don't know if that's how you say it, O-U-A-I, the hair care company, but I am so excited to see what is inside of this box. It got lost. They sent it to me and it got lost in the mail, but it's finally here. So I'm so excited. Let's take a look at the box. Okay, I can't wait. Let's get inside of this bad boy. I'm gonna take off the lid. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, so it says the power of beauty. Oh wait, don't look. Cheating. That is cheating. You're getting a sneak peek of what's inside of the box. So I'm gonna just rip off the tissue paper. Oh my gosh, this is so full. I'm so excited. Okay, I can't wait to see what this is. Bioderma Solution. Oh, micellar water. Your girl is in need of some. This is amazing. That is a huge bottle too. I'm gonna maybe not open it up after I just shook it up. That would not be a good thing. But, okay, let's see what else is in here. Okay. Oh, I'm having so much fun. So this is the Hydra Biome Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. Okay. Microbiome friendly technology. Anti-pollution tested with real Greek yogurt. But I've never seen anybody spell yogurt with an H in it. What? Okay, so I'm kind of nervous. I hope that it doesn't smell like Greek yogurt. Okay. It doesn't smell like Greek yogurt. Ooh. No, it doesn't smell like Greek yogurt. My sense of smell is absolutely terrible. Like, do not take my sense of smell seriously. So, that is really cool. Anything with probiotic, like I drink kombucha every day. I am so passionate about gut health. So, I'm excited to try that out. The next thing that I am pulling out is apparently this, because I just dropped it. Okay, this is a oh, we're gonna have to try this right now. We're gonna have to try this right now. Smarter CBD, how refreshing. We're all about peak performance for as well as your CBD. That's why it's called CBD. Good news, I have a water bottle that I can mix this up in while I'm reading.
I poured that bad boy in here. Ooh, it has like a little bit of like a tropical scent to it. I'm nervous that I'm not gonna like it. Made from Kentucky grown hemp, 20 milligrams of CBD, caffeine free, and third-party lab tested. I am so sorry about the lighting. I just have so many windows in my apartment, so I don't know where else to film. It's so bright outside. It's like cloudy and like really bright for a few minutes, so I promise you the video quality will improve a bit. Oh, it's really like sweet tasting. That's like a really sweet coconut, almost like coconut water. Yo, that's awesome. I love this. Okay. I'm gonna get myself hooked up with some of that. That's awesome. Okay, that's really cool.
And that's such an interesting item. That's something that I never would have expected to be in a beauty box. So that makes me happy to see. Okay, what else do we got in here? I've got this after spa reusable rounds. Oh my gosh, for the win. I'm so excited about these. I love these because when I buy the like regular like disposable cotton rounds, they're too thin. And I just end up like, and because of how heavy I cake my face on, it lasts me like 2 or 3 wipes and then it's like dying. Sorry, I'm choking. But I love the reusable rounds because they hold up to my wear and tear. So I wonder if they're like actually just like plain color or, oh, those are so big. Oh, somebody's, oh my gosh, and the micellar water. Oh, I love that so much. That's awesome. Oh, this is a really good box. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. This seed phytonutrients lightweight facial lotion, supporting independent American farmers who grow our camellia and sunflower seeds. Or I don't know. My pronunciation skills are subpar. Ooh, it's in a squirt bottle. Oh yes, meet our seed farmers. Always kind of like lush packaging. I got a tappy tap. I hope you guys can read that. That's cute. Natural origin, no animal testing, gluten-free, paraben-free, vegan, and natural fragrance. All right, let's see what this is made of. No scent. I don't smell anything. Oh, that's really lightweight and creamy. Oh, there it is. Oh, I smell sunflower. I literally just sniffed that, and that just took me back to like when I was younger and grew sunflowers. I just saw like the bees in the air and everything. That was so pretty. Okay, awesome. I don't know if it's what it's supposed to do, but honestly, my skin has been so dry. Oh, that is so cute. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, that is adorable. I love that so much. Okay, and then the last thing that I'm pulling out says high maintenance peeling mask made with cannabis sativa seed oil. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm kind of loving the CBD vibe we've got going. Oh, and a peel mask. Those are my favorite. Apply a generous amount to damp skin. Wait, it says, yeah, peeling mask. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so let's take a look at the card. It says that the full side of the seed lotion, this is a full size, has a retail value of $34. The 2-pack of cotton rounds has a retail value of $10. The micellar water, this is full size. It has a retail value of $14.90. This is a deluxe mini, and it says, oh, I love this new breakdown. That's a new update. So the deluxe mini value has a retail value of $10, but if you were to get the full size, it has a retail value of $49. The deluxe, the High Beauty, the CBD peel mask is a deluxe mini. It has a retail value of $20. Oof. But the full size is $46. And then that CBD stick, the drink mix thing that I put in, one stick has a retail value of $3.20, but a pack of 10 has a retail value of $32. I loved this box. This was so different. It doesn't, oops, I just dropped the card. It doesn't say anything about this being like a CBD or like natural kind of base, but this definitely broke up the monotony of like other beauty boxes that I've unboxed where they've been just like high end, not really like natural or anything like that. So this was very different, and I love the drink mix. That was so fun. But I also am so hype about the micellar water and the cotton rounds. Like to me, that's just as exciting as getting like mascara and eyelashes for something for you to pair together. I just love it. Like, you know, when you get shampoo and conditioner from the same brand, having items that I can pair together in a beauty box is so exciting to me. So that is everything that I received in my January glossy box. What did you guys think of this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video.